Department of Projects. The Department of Projects is headed by Napoleon. And, he runs this department from conception to execution. So he conceives our projects and then build them so that we can use those projects to approach donors who, when we are lucky, to sponsor part or all of each project. You have a board over there. That board has various photos of projects we are trying to do. So you can turn one of those into a very important and mighty project that can help the communities. The person assisting him is Fidelis. Fidelis is a manager by profession. So he assists Napoleon in the building and execution of our projects, so that when we come to managerial issues on how to manage them, he then takes charge of them.